so we can see what's actually in the box. All right. First of all, this is this more exciting than the tool itself? I don't know. I don't want to be rude at all. This is really exciting. It is from the cleaningstandard.com, Professional Advanced Upholstery Cleaning Field Manual, Lee Pemberton and Jim Pemberton. This right here is worth its weight in gold. It should weigh more than this to be worth its weight in gold. Yep, well, this will be like evening reading material. All right. A couple of stickers. Clickety click. And
sleeve.
A little sleeve to protect all of our little fittings while we're using the tool. And the moment that we've been waiting for a few months now. Super excited about this. Why is it green? I'm just kidding. All right, so, oh my gosh, I love the ProChem. It is so heavy, but man, you can get some good arm muscles with that. This is so lightweight right off the bat.
Oh yeah, not
so lightweight. All right, let's take off the plastic. I've never unwrapped anything before. So excited. Oh, hello, friend. All right. So, oh yeah, this feels so natural already. I'm so excited. I got the glide with the holes in it. That's my preference. Don't come at me. If you like slots, do your thing. Person. You're a slot person. Yep. Do your thing. I love that. I love that. That's what I've been missing from the Sapphire. I know there's a time and a place for everything, but that's what I've been missing from the Sapphire. I love the viewfinder here. I love being able to see what's coming out.
There's water everywhere.
I'm excited to play around with this a whole lot more. I guess we're going to show it off some more in Vegas too in September, so come by and take a look at that. Ask Mikey when the presentation is, and he'll have it all figured out by then. But so far, I'm super excited about this. It's got to be. It's like
and the overspray. I mean, when you can do that.
Yeah, overspraying, like mist and extract. Sometimes that's all you need on the backside where there's not been any action. It's just a little mist, extract, and freshen up.
About the Sapphire, you can't do that.
Yeah, I do miss that. I mean, we've got our little distilled water on the side, trigger sprayer, but it's cumbersome to hold two things at the same time when you can just knock it out with one tool. Yeah. So it's special to me to be able to play with this and start using it. I'm super excited. We'll probably make more videos showing it. Oh, I guess we could detail.
It's got little holes in there too, so it helps with the overspray too. See that?
Yep, little holes inside of the vacuum chamber are helping with the.
That's where the sprayer is. So
yeah, any extra overspray is going to get captured by the vacuum as it's coming out of this little chamber. I don't know what all the bits and pieces are called. Yeah. All right, let me know if you have questions. We'll send them on to Mikey to answer for you.